Monetary Authority of Singapore bans 3 AC founders from engaging in financial markets. Singapore's central bank, the Monetary Authority of Singapore (MAS), has barred the founders of 3 Arrows Capital, Zhu and Kyle Livingston Davies from participating in financial markets within the city-state for a period of 9 years. 3 Arrows Capital was among the first top cryptocurrency firms to succumb to insolvency after the dramatic crash of Luna and TerraUSD cryptocurrencies in May. 3AC filed for bankruptcy in late June in the British Virgin Islands. The Central Bank of Singapore prohibited Zhu and Kyle Davies from engaging in any regulating activity or managing any capital market services firms in Singapore effective from 13 September 2023. 3AC founders provided false information to MAS. MAS cited several breaches on the part of 3AC founders, including providing false information to MAS, failing to notify MAS about changes in directorship and shareholdings, and exceeding the allowable assets under management threshold for a registered fund management company. Furthermore, MAS revealed that 3AC failed to inform the regulatory authority in a timely manner of the employment of Mr. Ching Jun-Yung Arthur, who was hired as a portfolio manager between August 2020 and September 2021. The breach of SFR regulations raised concerns about transparency within the organization. In a statement, Lu Xiuyi, MAS Assistant Managing Director, emphasized the importance of robust risk management that must be put in place by senior management of fund managers. She stated, "Senior management of fund managers are required to implement robust risk management measures to protect the interest of investors." MAS takes a serious view of Mr. Zhu's and Mr. Davies' flagrant disregard of MAS regulatory requirements and dereliction of their directors' duties. As directors of 3AC, Zhu and Kyle Livingston Davies were primarily responsible for ensuring the firm's compliance with regulatory requirements under the SFA and SFR. However, the MAS investigation found that they failed in their duties and were directly responsible for 3AC's regulatory breaches. As reported earlier, Zhu and Kyle Davies completed a funding round for their new OPMX exchange earlier this year. Dubai's Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority slapped a massive $2.7 million fine against their new exchange, which the duo failed to pay.